Alright, we're on the RipCurrent from Juiced Bikes. Here we go, going through the tunnel. Have it on sport mode. So as I pedal, the torque sensing, there's a dog. The torque sensing will kick in. Let's go this way. Cool looking dog. Yeah, so torque sensing kicks in, behaves exactly like the cross current. Still very quiet. It does have a beefier feel to it. Pointed that out. People are asking about the comparison between the cross current and the RipCurrent. There are a lot of similarities. The biggest and the most obvious difference is just it's a bigger bike. It kind of goes without saying, but it's cool. There's a bird right there. Yeah, and I don't know, as I head into towards Newport Beach here, like this direction, as we travel this way, it might get cooler. So I don't know if we're pretty much in summer now. So I told myself, hey, I'm tired of wearing a jacket. We're gonna go for this. Now, right there, as I just want to talk about the seat post. Right there, as I hit this incline. If you hit a sharp or relatively sharp incline, that's when the seat kind of kicks in, and it's nice. It's like it takes the force that would normally just travel straight up your spinal cord, and it absorbs it. So it's really pleasant. Very nice. Then we'll get up to where the ducks are up here. Probably stop early for there. That's the 5 freeway, north and south. Northbound is closest to me, people heading up to LA. Be fun to go in this little pond. I'm going to work today, so. Besides, I think that's just drain off water from the road, so. There's no poor ducks live in there. Here they are. And they're right here. What's up, guys? Yeah, that's them right there. Cool. We're gonna go to try some cruise control here. 20 miles an hour is the max. There, we're now in cruise mode. I'm gonna stop pedaling. And there it goes. It's starting to, I can feel the engine kicking in. Cool bird there. It's getting cooler. Not horribly bad. This bike also has great balance. Like I said, the fatter tires, they're probably more forgiving. You do have to be careful still. You have to, keep both hands, or at least a hand on the wheel, not like what I just did there. Don't get yourself in trouble. And one of the subscribers, they were saying, road's bumpy. They're saying they had, I don't know if it's from not having their hands on the wheel, but ended up cracking 2 ribs. That sounds painful. 4th of July. It was last night. Yeah, temp's good. The sun's coming up anyway, so it's just gonna get warmer. Okay, we're gonna throttle back a smidge here. There's a baseball game. Cool. Yeah, works really well, man. Very happy with it. Well, cool. Listen, I'm getting to the maximum here, close to 8 minutes, so I'll let you guys go. But hopefully this is a little further down the path of e-biking. Cool, and then one day we're gonna travel right through there and go straight to work that way. Can't wait. All right, see you guys later. Bye.